Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make up to $5,000 a month with affiliate marketing. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So how does affiliate marketing work? The process of making money by promoting other people's or companies' products and getting paid a commission. The commission is usually a percentage of the price of the item sold, which is paid by the seller after the sale is made. There are three people involved in the process. That is the merchants who made the products, the network which helps promote products, and the customer. You have to join an affiliate network before you can join an affiliate program. There are many networks out there, and each one has its own set of rules. Before you sign up, you should carefully read through these rules. You don't want to break any of them and get kicked out of the program. Once you've joined an affiliate network, you will need to find a product or service to promote. This can be done by searching through the network's database of products or by looking on sites like Amazon or eBay. When you find a product that interests you, you will need to make a website or blog where you can talk about it. One of the best ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. You don't have to pay anything to get started, and it's easy to get a lot of followers on sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Affiliate marketing could be the answer you've been looking for if you want to make an extra $5,000 every month. To make money through affiliate marketing, you need to do a few things. The first step is to find a product or service that you are passionate about and believe in. Next, you need to make a website or blog where you can promote the product or service. You will also need to get people to follow you on social media and make content that makes people want to visit your website or blog. Lastly, you will need to look for affiliate programs that pay you a cut of sales that come from your website or blog. There are a few things you need to do before you can start affiliate marketing. Well, affiliate marketing is a good way to make money online. It could be right for you if you love a product or service and know how to make content that people want to read or watch. Affiliate marketing gives people the tools and resources they need to be successful so they can make their first $5,000 online. It's one of the easiest ways to make money on the internet because you don't have to pay anything upfront, and there are a lot of affiliate programs that pay you a cut of sales that come from your website or blog. To be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to find a product or service that you believe in and are passionate about. You should also build a following on social media and make content that will bring potential customers to your website or blog. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online if you work hard and stick with it. So I recommend 100% for you to try. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar, Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.